So I am here, I am packing, I'm about to check out of my hotel. I came here to celebrate my birthday, but not only that, I came here for the experience and also for a bit of an encouragement, and at the same time to manifest. Somehow you not understand this. There are certain levels in life that you're unable to unlock until you have an idea of what it feels like to live as that person or to live that life. No, I am scaling my business, myself, my brand. I'm leveling up my life. I desire to be part of that 2% or 1%. I desire more in terms of health, wealth, and lifestyle for me and my family. No, I have a point. Stick with me. So I booked this hotel. I should check out tomorrow. I should be checking out tomorrow, but I leave today because I feel as if it's like you go to a diner and you eat, but food is still left on the table, but you know you have nowhere to hold that food. So you're gonna get up from the table and leave that on the plate. What I came here for, I achieved in 2 nights. So I'm going to leave today. While I was here, I passed so many different displays on the walls of celebrities. I saw Madonna. I saw J-Lo's outfit. I saw, what's that guy? Is it Bruno Mars? Not Bruno Mars. I don't know. I'm gonna look for the footage. But I saw these women. I saw even Nicki Minaj outfit on a mannequin on display. I saw DJ Khaled outfit on the mannequins on display, and I feel so close to them, even though it's just their clothing on the wall. I'm standing beside. There are times in everybody's life that they want more. You can taste more, but you don't know how to reach it, right? Because you have no sense of familiarity. This is something new to you, and this is part of why I came here. To feel close to see how it feels, to get a taste of something more, to unlock a level that I desire, right? But that's not really the point. You see, when it comes to leveling up and wealth, health have a lot to do with it. And when I look at those clothing on display for all these, especially the female entertainer, you know when I notice all of the clothes them were tiny. As in, like, you look on a 0 size 1, and a part of me want to believe that these clothes aren't real. So I look around, I try to see behind the mannequin to see if they're, you know, when you put clothes on mannequin, they tend to pin the waist so it fits to the mannequin, but I didn't saw that in the frames. And you know what I got from, it's like going to a museum, and you look at the painting and everybody sees something different. When I look at those clothing on the wall, for most of them, male and female, I noticed they were very small in size, meaning these people are wealthy, but they are healthy. Me not see no obese clothes on the wall. And I heard a lot of successful people say, wealth is nothing if you're not healthy. And I look and I said, why these women live in the gym? Why these women can get a small a size 0, and why they fussing about size 0 and size 1 is because having all that money don't make no sense if you're not healthy behind it. And this is why they prioritize fitness and eating certain food they don't eat out. And I'm like, whoa, to myself, chin, y'all look on the clothes and that's all you see. And I look at the year they wore these clothes. Some of them wear the clothes in a year when they perform, or they made an album and they film in that clothes, they donate the clothes to the Hard Rock Hotel. And I'm like, damn, these women are petite. And I look at it and I look at myself and I said, I did a bold move when I started to prioritize fitness, weight loss, eating clean. Even throughout my time here, I was able to eat and throw away some. And I did couple videos well, and also my life talking about, even I was telling my son It's like, mommy, why you leave food on the plate? It's just wasting your money. And I can look and see that I don't need to eat all of this, because now I'm shoving my face with all these calories that my body don't need, and I'm able to reach to a point where I can eat and refuse what's on the plate and throw it away or leave it for later. So throughout my trip here, my time here, I've learned so much. But I just wanted to show you about your health in general. These millionaire, them priority are them health. And this is when you know you're unlocking a different level, when you start to take your health seriously, start to prioritize your health over everything. And I look at myself and I remember when I used to have that skin tags and I was overweight and my shoulders hurt, my tummy, my back pain, my foot ache because of the weight that I'm carrying. And I look at the ladies and the men that are reaching out in regards to the semaglutide weight loss thing, and I'm like, if you can see that the weight is there and we need to get it off, then you reach another level. But I just want to bring your attention to that, yo. There's so much out there to live, and I feel really good sharing these contents. I've been filming like crazy and people are coming up to me, like really nice people. You can see that the energy that I'm surrounded with is so different. I just came across a lady just now and she was like, oh my goodness, your energy. She's like, girl, your energy. We had a little conversation. I'm not going to go into that, but just taking out my camera and vlogging in public, filming in public, people are like, I took out my drone, my hover drone, and I was making a video and they were like, oh my god, was that the one that follow you? People were openly ready to start the conversation with me. I'm like, whoa, this is a whole different energy right here. And it's just because I'm surrounded by different set of people. All it takes is to go into an environment that you're not used to, an environment that you desire to be in, meaning around people who are higher than you. And I feel good sharing this because most of you know me from nothing. But like, you can sit, I see this, but you can see on the outside and look on chin. Even though I find the way how I talk these days to be different, I still have a little crazy patwa side to me, not joke that not go. But I find myself, and I'm not deliberately changing or faking, but I feel, y'all might think I'm crazy, but I'm feeling, I think all of we as women have a really soft side to it, you know. I don't curse, I don't argue, I don't kill up myself no more. I'm just in a relaxed phase. I romanticize my life and I'm like, how the hell am I changing? And it's for the better, but it's just my mindset and the spaces that I'm going in right now. For example, when you're in at the streets, you're going to use the slang and you're a good girl, because that's the energy you surround yourself with. But then I'm in a whole different space. I'm not a bugger on my phone. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this space where I'm at is so beautiful, so different. Something that I'm not familiar with, and I cannot wait to do everything I need to do on this level to scale to another one. And I know this video is long, but ladies, men, girl, you know me from lax days, trailer days, shelter days. You know me. But if you should look at me now, right now, look at my videos, do you not see the difference?